I love summer. It's such a great time to catch up with friends, but often you need to come up with a plate of food in a hurry. So today I'm making my beetroot and carrot slaw with candied walnuts and goat's curd. First, we need about 3 grated beetroots. Pop it in here. 1.5 to 2 carrots grated, and this is just on the box grater. Then we're going to hit it with some fresh herbs. I've got dill, mint, parsley and coriander, and I'm just going to roughly cut it. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now with the coriander, I am going to use the leaves and the stalks. So bam, all of the herbs in there, and we'll attack this coriander. So just take it off at the very end. These roots just give it such a lovely crunch, and they're so refreshing. That's what I love about this salad. And it keeps in the fridge for about 2 to 3 days. Next, we're going to dress it. A dash or 2 of balsamic, depending on your taste. And then you just want to coat it with extra virgin olive oil. I like to use tongs to mix it. You can use your hands, but I suggest using gloves. And we're going to season it with a little bit of pepper. You use salt, but don't use it too early because you'll find it'll draw the water out of the beetroot and you'll need to drain it a little bit. To serve this salad, you want to layer it. You don't want to mix this lovely goat's curd through because you'll lose that contrast, that impact. So we've got spinach here. Don't dress it because it's going to take up all the dressing from the beetroot. Just a layer of the beetroot and the herbs. And we're going to add a little bit of red onion. And from here, we're going to pick and place the goat's curd. You can also use crumbly feta or Danish feta or labneh, just something bitey and salty. Another layer of spinach and a little bit more of the beetroot and carrot. Once you've plated it, because the spinach leaves aren't dressed, you can just wrap it and it's ready to go. For such a light, refreshing salad, it's actually a really sturdy salad. And a little bit more goat's curd. So right now we've got a fairly healthy salad, but I like to up the ante a little bit in the festive season. We've got these maple roasted walnuts, and all I've done is added equal parts maple syrup with a dash of oil. We're just coating again, and toasted it for about 15 minutes. So there you have it, my foolproof beetroot and carrot slaw, guaranteed to turn heads at your next barbecue.